Hardworking folks depend on their motorcycle to cover their family expenses. High fuel costs gradually burden numerous ordinary families. To relieve living pressure, we select premium parts via mature supply chain. Compared with gasoline motorcycles, the running cost is reduced by 70%, and the saved expenses can be turned into children's food and families' new clothes. Pooling cell research and cell production cut off middleman premiums. On the one hand, it allows consumers to start with cost-effective models. On the other hand, it also leaves sufficient profit space for dealers everywhere. The products are bought all year round and sold to many countries around the world. We never made coal machinery, but the confidence of thousands of families to lead a stable life. A reliable motorcycle is the symbolic reliance for ordinary people to go to a better life. For family, for love, for freedom.